Hello, Emily Goodwin here with Writers of the Future, and today we are talking to Clint Lowe. Clint, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm currently outside in the streets in Melbourne, Australia, and I've been writing, trying to be pro since about 2013.
Awesome. And you're writing right now, right?
Yeah, I did a little bit this morning on a draft of a story. It's a second draft, so it's very up in the air at the moment. So I tend to be a journey writer, so it kind of doesn't make sense to about 3 or 4 drafts.
Awesome. All right, and we're talking to fans around the world who have read Writers of the Future, Volume 36. So, Clint, you read the book recently. Tell us what you thought about it.
Oh yeah, it's great because it's not like standard novels, which is usually they keep to a genre, whereas these short stories are kind of all totally unique. There's kind of no set formula, and that's what I like about the most. It's always a unique story, not just the same kind of story that you're going to get. Mm-hmm. That makes sense?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And did you have a favorite story in the book?
Oh, the one that stood out the most was, I think it was called Pink. It was about a man resetting time.
Yeah.
Because his wife died. Yeah, I won't go into it in case you want to read it, but I think it was a bit emotional, and it got me that way a little bit. That's one I kind of stood out the most. But they're all crafted very well. So.
Nice, yes. And how about the artwork? Did you see the artwork for the stories?
They're all awesome. Like, I was surprised. Like, that'd be awesome to do a book cover with. But the one that stood out the most was the one from the Ron Hubbard story about past cause, about the old lady growing young. Just seeing her in the mirror, that's an older lady, but young. That was a good story. The first one I've read of his, that kind of jumped out at me a bit too. But, yeah.
That's the first L. Ron Hubbard story that you've read?
Yeah, I hadn't read one, so I'll probably look up a few novels now. So.
Borrowed Glory, right?
Yeah, that was it. That was the name. Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Great. Fantastic. And so what do we have to look forward with you on your writing?
You can check out my YouTube videos. If you just type in Clint Lowe, you can do a lot of YouTube videos on writing. And I have self-published a self-help story.
Great.
And I'm starting to self-publish a small novella series, sci-fi. So if you just went to Amazon, type Clint Lowe, you could find them. I'd come up. But I have a novel that's with Writers House. They requested the full manuscript after the first chapter. So I just emailed back and they said they're extra busy and they haven't read it yet. So I don't know if anything will happen. But so I'll sort of work on novels to try and go maybe traditional, and I'm going to self-publish in a novella series. Keep reading stories like Writers of the Future. I did do the Writers of the Future with David Farland, the one where he gives you like a writing course. Done that, which is awesome.
Did you say that you did the online writing course?
Yeah, the Writers of the Future one with David Farland, I think, awesome, Scott Card and Tim Powers.
Oh, you did do it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And how did that go?
Oh, it was great. Like, sort of opened up a couple of little aspects, especially with probably short stories, about how they need to be more unique, not so much a genre. Mm-hmm. I've done an outline for a story for the magazine, but I haven't actually written the outline because I'm doing this other Sweden story at the moment.
Oh, great. So you saw all the videos and you got through all the essays and you did the whole course?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. And how are the essays?
Well, I was surprised too, again, because some of them were from Ron Hubbard, and he seems to be really good at teaching writing. So some people are great at writing, and some people can't teach it, but he seemed to be able to teach it as well. So, and David Farland's probably my other favourite teacher. I did one of his writing bundle courses where I watched his videos. He was very well at teaching as well. So
good.
If it all comes together, I might be able to do it for a job.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, very cool. Well, again, best of luck with your writing, and hopefully you enter the next quarter and that we, see you here in LA as a winner.
Yeah, that'd be pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
We have a couple winners from Australia this year.
Yeah, I've seen that. A few from Australia. So that was pretty good. So,
yeah. Okay, you could be next.
Yeah, that's the hope.
All right. Well, good talking to you, and thanks very much for helping with the interview.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.